deal to the line. Plus, they make a lot more money on the deal than we do. So, good job. That's smart doing open houses.
Yeah, cool. Thank you, 𝐃𝐀𝐑𝐄. Thank you, everyone. I'm sorry I was late. I was talking to a company, a technology company, to see how we can partner up with them to help our loan officer and consumer. They have the buy to own, and the buy before you sell a product. Very good. So that's why I'm talking to them. But by the way, go back to our section. Today I want to share with you about Loan Factory. I want you to learn more about Loan Factory. Basically, I feel that it's really important that you understand about the company, what we do, how good we are before you join, right? You don't want to join a company without knowing that it's a good company for you. And it is even more important that you should shop around at least 2 or 3 different companies so that you can pick out what's best for you. You know, we don't want to, just like homeowner, when they get a mortgage, we know that they should shop around to get better mortgage, right? Better rate, better service. So you have to do the same. I do recommend you to talk to at least 2 different companies to learn. And today I'm going to share with you everything that we do. One thing I want to let you know ahead of time is we are a completely different company. No other company out there are similar to us because we build the technology. We are a fintech company. No other company out there have built their own technology. We build our own LOS, POS, pricing engine, CRM. We build tons of technology, AI, all that, mobile too. And because we build our own technology, we build it the way we want, that help us, that help loan officer, that help consumer. That is the first thing. Second thing, everything we do, we are very transparent. Everything we do, we rely on technology. We keep everything simple and transparent so that we don't have to worry about little thing here and there. We get focused on building our business and helping the client and make money. That's all. So everything really simple. Today, I'm going to share with you our technology. I will share with you what I do as a loan officer, why I have so many clients. I will share with you the loan process, how we move a loan from A to Z. As a loan officer, what do you have to do to close a loan, and what will the processor do to help you? And at the end, I would like to open up for questions. Of course, during the webinar, if you have questions, just raise your hand. But try to ask the question. If you hear something from me that you don't understand, or if you want to clarify, then ask right away. But if it's not related, please wait to the end. Wait to the end, and I will answer any question if it's not related to what I just talked about. Okay? So now I'm gonna share my screen and show you about Loan Factory. So here is our website. Here's our website. Everything we do, we make sure it serves a purpose. We make sure it's working. We make sure we maximize the benefit of it. So our website, we want it to talk to our clients. We want the website to win the trust of the client. And we want the client to fill out our application. We want the client to check the rate on our website. So you can see on the right side, we have the pricing engine, where the consumer can check the rate, and they can do the full doc or the non-QM rate. So for example, this scenario, the customer can check on it and they can enter their income as well. But let's try out a scenario when the client the credit score is so low, 650. And let's say the client say that their income is 230,000. This is in the Bay Area, California. Even at 230,000, they get a discount. Their income is considered average or low. So therefore, the government, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac will help them. A lot of loan officers don't even know about this. So you can click on show rate. But before that, let me show the case that you ignore the income, you don't get the discount. Let's find out the rate first. And the rate is 6.75 with no point. Right? 6.75 with no point. That is in sense, because that makes sense because the borrower FICO score is too low, right? But if you work with Loan Factory and you enter the income 230,000, let's find out the rate now. The rate now is 6.125 with some money back credit. Way better rate. And this is exactly what we should do to help our client, right? Use the technology to find the best possible lender, the best possible rate, or program for our client. And we build the technology to help you. And imagine you are with another company. You quote rate 6.75. I will quote rate 6.125. Who do you think will win? The client. Technology is really critical in any battle. Let's say Russia and Ukraine, they are fighting. Who have the better technology will win, right? Same thing here. We have the better technology. We're gonna win. So, and consumer can click on this button to see all of the lender. And the loan store have the best rate. And you can see Rocket have decent rate. But then if you go down here, some of the lender down here have very bad rate. Imagine you work with this lender. Your rate would be way too high. But believe me, some loan officer out there choose to work with this lender. I don't understand how. And this is the reason why you see so many loan officers out there are suffering. They cannot grow their business. If they don't fight, if they don't try their best to help the client get better rate, how can you expect your client to appreciate you and come back to you, right? And if that happens, your business is not gonna grow. You're gonna struggle. So that's why you have to use a pricing engine, a good one, to help your client. And you also agree with me that a lot of loan officers out there, they are so lazy. They don't use technology. They don't use pricing engine to shop around for their client. And most of them, this is true, most of the loan officers out there send loan to either European or Rocket without thinking, without shopping around, right? They are the two biggest lenders out there that do most of the loan out for mortgage broker. So, and you can see right here, their rate are not the best. You know, European probably somewhere down here, very bad. And they win so much business from the loan officer out there. So I want you to learn from this. Always shop around. Always fight for your clients. Give them the best possible deal. Way they will appreciate you, they will love you, and they will want to be your client forever. That is the key. You have to win the trust and make sure the client loves you. Hello, hi, Greg.
Hey there, Tuan. Guys, I've been doing this for almost 40 years, so I've been doing it for a few moons. This tool right here, if you went to go buy it and use it yourself, like a loan sifter, would probably cost you $80 or $90 a month. So you have to kind of think about what Loan Factory is giving us. One, we're able to build our business within the side of Loan Factory without the heavy due cost of a CRM, POS, LOS, and a loan sifter tool. So, $500 or $600 a month in these tools are for us to work with. So thank you, Tawana, for having these tools. These are cool.
Thank you. Thank you. And you can see right here, you can see there's a lot of tools like Loan Shifter, Arrive, Lending Pal, Loan Craft, Home Bar, Lead Hacker, Review. All of these software cost a lot of money. And that's
so I got a question for you.
Yes.
All right. So my question to you is that, so obviously I understand the process you went in. I guess that's a comparable between different entities or financial institution to see the pricing. Now, I guess when the client is speaking to you directly, obviously we're not telling them to go to the website. We're doing that ourselves and then getting back to the client. Is that correct?
I don't quite the last sentence. We always direct our client to our website. We always.
Okay, so I guess my question to you, if they would go to the website, so let's see, if it's your client, how is the website is going to realize he's going to come directly to a SK, or he's going to go to Craig?
But it's a personalized link to you, SK.
Oh,
okay. It has all your branding on here. So it looks just like it, but it's branded to you.
Yeah, so here, let me share with you. At Loan Factory, every loan officer will have a website. And that website is branded to you. You can have your own domain name. You can buy your own domain name and tell your client to go to your website. It can be ShoplandLoanOfficer.com or yourname.com. You buy it, you own that domain name, and you can see down here, we have some, I promote Loan Officer with a lot of rate review. And let's check out this loan officer. He's one of the top 10 loan officers in the country, in our company. And here is his website, DreamMake.us. So he purchased this website, so it's his website. And it has the pricing engine on it. And it's customizable. You can customize it the way you want. You can indicate how much you want to make in here as well. So on the main website, we keep the compensation at 1%, but you are free to decide if you want to make 1.5 or 2% or 0.5% on your website. And you can decide which lender you want to show up on your website. It's up to you. So we allow you to have that, and it's free. You have your own website, it's free. We also have the non-QM pricing engine here, where the consumer or you can run the pricing. So let's say this is a bank statement, 12-month bank statement program, and the rate is 6.625. We have 11 lender total. And imagine you don't use our pricing engine. You end up with this lender. See the difference? $6,700. That's why it's so important to pricing engine when you shop for the loan. When you decide which lender to send the loan to, you must shop around. You must pick the best lender for your clients. So this is our non-QM pricing engine. And we will promote you if you have good review on Google. We will promote you. Okay, let me move on. So this is our pricing engine. It's really powerful because you can share that to your client. You can copy the link here, and then click on it, and we'll load the rate. So when you quote rate with your client, you copy the link and share the link to them. They tap on it, they see the pricing. So convenient. You can do so many other things as well. So for example, you can run, this is a fourplex. You can do a single family and you can see the rate, right? So you can explain to the borrower that this is the buy down option, right? And you can compare the buy down option with the regular option, and you can see side by side comparison. If the borrower buy down and pay $17,000, they save $255 per month, and so they will break even after 5 years and 8 months. Okay, so and then you can share that with your client too. After you compare, you can share that with your client. You click on it, the system will drop everything. You just need to enter your client information. Besides comparing the buy down option, you can also compare with the 20-year fix. And you can see the result. So in this scenario, the borrower saved $401,000 by going with a 20-year fix. You can also compare to, let's say if you're not sure if you do FHA loan or conventional loan, you can also compare as well. You can click on it and compare so that you see the 30-year conventional versus the 20-year FHA. You know, you can compare them. You can see which one is better. You can also compare, let's see, you can compare the different long-term program and buy down. You can also, when you quote the client for refinance, you can check rate for the refinance, and then you can compare. I have to clear the compare. You can click in here and compare with their current mortgage. Let's say it has 27 years left, and the rate is 6.75%. You can see the saving. So you can do all kind of comparison and then share that with your client. This kind of technology is so easy, so fast, so good, and it's free to you. With Loan Shifter and other, I don't think they have all of these. It's easy to use as well. Hello, hi, Craig.
The nice thing about this, guys, is it's all in one area. You aren't going from this program to that program. It's all integrated. If you're working with Bob Smith's in here. You don't have to go to another software program to bring it in. What I'm doing personally is I'm taking all my past clients and putting them in for the rate alert and start building that up. Because imagine if you had 50 or 60 clients and all of a sudden rates drop. Let's say in January they drop to 5%, but you don't have any of your data in here. You're going to go, whoops, I messed up. So I would try to spend, whatever your database is, pick out 1 or 2 letters of the alphabet every week and make sure you get it in there. Pick out 4 letters of the alphabet and get A, B, C's, and D's in there this week. Next week, get the other ones in there. So to really preload this to assist you and help you out. It doesn't cost you anything to do it.
Thank you, Greg. Thank you. Thank you. I will share with you a lot more later. You know that rate are dropping, right? Today, rate dropped a little more, right? So the Fed said that they will cut the rate in September. And we all know that Trump is going to replace the Fed chairman. The Trump want a lot lower rate, right? So that means refinance rate is coming. Are you ready for it? What are you doing now? And I will share with you what I'm doing so that you can, and you can learn, and so that you can try to make some money when rate drop. So, but let me go back to this topic and I will share with you everything. I will let you ask me any question at the end. So Loan Factory is the best technology platform, mortgage platform for all of the loan officers because we have our best technology. We build our own technology. It's great. It's beautiful. And then we'll show you more along the way. We provide training. I provide training. And I can share with you right here, the event here. That's where we have all the training. All of the training will be here. We have weekly cell call here. We have the live training from Rocket here. This is one of our coach. he will have an AI town hall meeting. This is marketplace training. We have all kind of training. This is, Jessica is our COO. She also provides training. It will pick up call right here. We have all kind of training every day. And the one that we completed, we have it here. And it's recorded for you to watch. So, and you can see here, I provide training on how to do pricing, how to do leads and marketing. There are all kind of training. You can watch it. You can click on it to watch it. Let me go back to here. Marketing support. So with marketing, we have a marketing team of 11 staff who can help you with any kind of request with marketing. So for example, you want to have a customized image, they will do that for you. All you need to do is create a ticket, they will create for you. If you want them to edit your video, they will edit for you. If you want to run an ad on Facebook, on Google, they will do it for you. So they will help you with marketing, and it's free. We have an underwriting team who can help you too. So you can see right here, we have live support. No other company out there have live support. We have the support specialist is here. The underwriter is here. Our coach is here to help you. So if you have any question, click on the live button and you can chat with our coach. You can chat right away. So we provide live support. We have 24 departments, all kinds of departments to help you. We have a lot of team. So you can be a team leader or team member. You can join this team so that they can help you. We also can help mentor. So you can join this mentorship. If you need help, you want them to mentor you, call them up and they will help you. And here's the split. They will love to help you. And I think that's fair because they will help you learn and become a good loan officer. Feel free to call any of them so that you make sure they're going to be a good mentor if you want to join them. We have production partner as well. For example, if you have to travel overseas, or if you got sick, you cannot take care of the client, you can have someone help you, be the production partner to help you. So let me go back to here. Marketing support, underwriting support. Our underwriter can help you calculate DTI. We also have AI to help you calculate DTI already. Our AI can help you with that. So our underwriter can also help you find a product. If you have a difficult scenario, then you can call our AI, our underwriting team. They will locate a loan program for you. They will suggest you and connect you with the lender as well. Or if you need to fight against the lender deny your loan for some reason, they can jump in and find out the reason and can argue and fight for you. We provide the best loan officer support you can see earlier, right? We have a marketplace where you can go there and ask any question from our staff. We don't charge monthly fee. We don't charge monthly fee, no technology fee, no software fee, no fee at all. So if you join Loan Factory and you don't close any loan for 3 months, 5 months, you pay nothing. We are a flat fee company. So basically, you keep 100% commission. You pay Loan Factory a flat fee of $5.95 per loan. $5.95 per loan. Flat fee. We are the best out there. I don't think any other company offer something like this. A small flat fee with no additional overhead, no monthly fee. no technology fee, nothing. And for processing fee, it's only $500, pretty cheap. And the processor will do everything. When the loan is ready to be submitted, they will jump in, they will take care of the loan, they will bring it all the way to fund it for you. So they do a lot of work. They work with title, escrow, insurance agent, condo. They work with lender. They work with everyone to make sure the loan can be closed. Commission, you can be 1099 or W-2. In some of the state, it has to be W-2. So for example, these are the states that's supposed to be W-2, 12 states. Georgia, Indiana, Massachusetts, Maryland, Mississippi, Montana, Nevada, New Jersey, North Carolina, South Carolina, Rhode Island, and Vermont. These are W-2 states, mostly in the East Coast. Mostly on the East Coast. So let me continue. We also have company lead in 42 states. Right now, not a lot, but we are working hard to get more. So for example, in the lead pipeline here, you can see the company running ads and we get lead. So today we got this lead right here. You can see we get lead. And I am pushing a lot harder now. Yeah, a lot of lead that we are getting. And we plan, what the plan is to send lead to the loan officer in real time. We will release this next week. So loan officer, you can download our mobile app. We are the only company in America that has mobile app that loan officer can use, that borrower can use, the realtor can use it. So if you share this with your realtor, they can send lead to you and they can see the status of all of those. Every lead, every loan that they send to you, they can track the progress themselves. And you can travel overseas for a month or 2 months. You don't need the internet. You don't need the computer. All you need is the phone that can access the internet. You can work and you don't have to worry about falling behind. And consumer, the best is for the consumer. Consumer can get their mortgage over the phone. They don't have to get into the computer. They don't need to see you. Everything happens on the mobile app. So we have that. And when we get lead, when we run ad, we get lead, we send it to the loan officer automatically, instantly, real time on the phone. It will pop up on your phone. Hey, you have a new lead, and then you have to accept it. Similar to Uber. The goal is to get a lot of consumers know about us and click on it to get help from us, and we will connect in real time with the loan officer so that loan officer can help consumers in real time. Let me go back here. Any questions so far before I continue? Please turn on your camera. I would love to see you as well.
Yes, I have a couple questions for you. The lead part of it, and you said,
Yeah,
does the lead go?
How do you choose the individual that gets the lead?
Yes.
Hold on 1 second, Lee. Let me take care of Jesse first. You can raise your hand. Thank you, Lee.
Thank you.
Yes, I wanted to know how the leads are assigned, number one, and if it's multiple, I guess, reps in an area, do they have to fight for the lead, or is it, how does that work?
So you see what's gonna happen. We will rank loan officer based on your production, based on how good you are taking care of the client, based on how many 5-star Google reviews you get, many factors. And the plan is, if you rank high, we send you the lead 10-15 seconds before the order. So when the lead arrives, our system will send you notification. And if you rank higher, you get notified before order. And whoever accepts the lead first will get it.
Now, do we have to pay for those leads, or are those leads free and they're just part of this $5.99 and the $500 in-house processing?
The lead is optional. The lead is optional. And loan officer can go to our page to sign up. Say, I want to work with lead. And then you can decide whether you want to get it free or you want to pay for it. If you get it free, then we will split the commission 50-50. If you want to pay for it, we will try to sell it to you at cost, which is cheaper than buy out there. And I myself will try my best to make sure we get a lot of lead and the quality of lead is good. So that is our program. You as a loan officer can go in and decide, I want to work with lead. I want to get a free or pay for it. You will decide if you want special type, like I want only in California, or I want to get it in all states that I'm licensed in. You can also select, I want my language, like Russian or Italian. You can select the language too. So that is ideally. The first version we will release it next week. But my goal is to perfect the system and bring in a lot of lead for our loan officers.
Sure.
Thank you, Jesse. Hi, Lee. Hello, Lee.
How you doing, sir?
Good to see you.
Good to see you as well. Hey, I enjoyed our conversations at the Originator Connect.
Yes.
And also, I just wanted to know, how do you choose? But you just explained that, how you choose the person that gets the lead.
Correct.
Yes. All right. That was basically my question as well.
Thank you. Thank you. And of course, you're going to have a lot more to ask me, because there's so much that I will share with you, and I will skip fast. I will move it fast. So, hi, Suhan.
So I understand about the lead distribution and your thought process behind it. You did mention that if the lead is given and if it's closed, it's going to be 50-50, I guess, split. My question to you, at what point the payment needs to be made? Is it I'm assuming it's probably after closing, right? So for anybody to pick up a lead.
We are a technology company. We make everything easy and simple for everyone. So we are releasing a wallet for loan officer. Every loan officer will have a wallet. And when let's say you close a loan and the commission is, let's say you will get $5,000. So instead of getting paid $5,000, you have an option of leave some money on the wallet. That way you can use that money to pay for the lead, pay for other things. And it's even better is if you are a W-2 loan officer in some of the state, you have to be W-2. We allow you to use that money to pay for business expense. That way you can reduce your income tax. You can request us to buy you a computer, an iPhone. You can use that money to buy lead. That way it will reduce your income tax. So we will release it sometime next week or 2 weeks from now. Huh?
So I'm sorry. So that's technically, I guess, whatever you just keeping enough I guess you just keep enough cash or whatever for you to pay for the lead. I guess. At what point do you say, hey, I gave you the lead, you give me the 5,000 or 10,000? Is that the day that I pick the lead, or is that upon closing?
Thank you. So it's really simple. So when you go as a loan officer, you go in that page, you say, I want lead, I want to buy lead. We will show you the approximate cost per lead, let's say $7. then you can also say, I want 5 leads a day or 10 leads a day. So we know how much you should have to put in, but we still don't charge you yet. We haven't released it yet, but we're thinking about allowing you, let's say you don't have commission, you don't have money in your wallet yet, but you want to get lead. We might allow you to zero your money into your wallet. That way you can buy lead. And we are thinking about even allow you to go negative on your wallet. And let's say you hit negative $100 or $50, then we will stop you from getting lead and you have to pay in order to get more lead. So we still haven't figured out the detail yet, but that is how it's gonna work. We make it so easy for you. No commitment, everything cheap. You turn it on and off, it's up to you. So everything's so easy and simple, right?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Jesse.
Yeah, another question on the lead. What percentage is turn to close? Like, for instance, let's say you buy 100 leads or 50 leads or 10 leads. How many leads turn to close? I'm sure you have like a forward ratio that tells us that, like 1 out of 5, or what turns into close?
This is our new feature. This is the new thing. Loan Factory never buy lead in the past. And we generate lead ourselves. So it's organic lead. We run ads, of course, but we believe that our lead have better quality than other source outside. And because we sell it at cost, I'm not trying to make money on you. My goal is to help you produce, make money, and become successful and happy. So we're not trying to make money. So our cost is cheaper, and since we have a brand name, we have great product. We believe that we'll get better quality lead, and the percentage, the conversion ratio is all depend on you, how good you are with dealing with lead, how good you are with the communication and persuading the client to sign up and work with you, right? But we do it better. For example, mobile app. We have a mobile app for clients, for loan officers, for realtor. So you can download the app and work with your realtor and work with your client. And everything you can work on the app. And the lead will go straight to your app. It will notify you, hey, there's new lead. Just like Uber driver, right? You get notified, hey, there's a rider request. You tap on it to accept it. So remember, this is real time, like Uber. It's real time. The moment the lead give it permission to contact them, you get notified. You tap on it, you call them. So we're gonna offer Zoom phone. It's really cheap, between $10 to $15 a month. Really cheap. So you tap on the lead, you accept it, and call the lead right away. It's real time. And you know that when you reach out to someone in real time, you impress them. And they know that, they just give you permission, right? So the chance that you can convert is a lot higher. That's what I believe technology will help increase the conversion rate. And there's a lot more. This is just the beginning. We're just rolling out. We will roll it out next week. Thank you. Hi, Lynn.
Hi. Okay, thank you for your presentation. I have a question about, there's one of the lenders that you mentioned in the slideshow, and they have been notorious about like stealing customers. So what is your procedure and how do you protect that from happening?
Good question. Good question. So a lot of lender, okay, in our industry, we have different types of lenders, like bank or credit union, and then lender. And within lender, we have wholesale lender and retail lender. Retail lender work directly with consumer. Wholesale lender work with loan broker like us. And then some lender do both. for example, Rocket,
Yeah.
right? Rocket, they do both.
Mm-hmm.
And normally there's conflict, right? We are indirectly compete against them. They work directly with the consumer. They try to help the consumer. We at the same time also try to help the consumer. Sometimes we run into a situation where we have to compete for the same client. Good thing that they promise us, Rocket promised us that if we help the client, they will back up. They will back up. They will not touch our client. So the moment you submit the client to the system, they will not touch our client. It's a promise. And they've been keeping that promise. So
Okay.
as long as we submit the loan to them, they will not touch our client. They
No,
will
I
not.
work for a broker, and they promised not to do that after first warning, second warning, and they still poached our client and, took a bunch of them. And almost every loan officer had that problem when they were sending them the
It won't happen. And sometimes it misunderstanding. Sometimes it's misunderstanding, and we need to clarify that. I would not believe someone unless we have to investigate. So it happened a few times at Loan Factory. We had 2,000 loan officers. We closed a lot of loans with them. And whenever one of our clients got approached by them, we contact our agent and say, hey, what happened? They will have to investigate. And as long as, we have no fruit at all. We have a few complaints, but we solve all of them. It's all misunderstanding. And we have we believe that they keep their promise because we have no evidence against that.
Okay.
So far, everything good.
Have you had many incidences against them, or any
Maybe
all
two
these
a year.
misunderstandings?
2 years, probably. That's it.
Okay.
All misunderstanding. I've been working with them for almost 10 years, and I don't run into problem at all.
All right.
You and I, we are both loan officers. We don't want to lose our client to
Right.
anyone, right? If it happened to me, I get mad for sure. It hasn't happened to me.
Great. No, I just want to know that there's like a methodology to that. That's all. But thank you for your clarification.
Hi, Craig. Hi, Craig.
Hi, Lynn. I've had loan officers come on our team that working in the broker space, other places. Where it generally happens is, let's say your comp is at 2.5%, 2.25%, and Rocket's going to be right about 1.25%, 1.5%. Actually, I've gotten deals versus them going to Rocket. I have the contrary experience. Also, to have never, ever, ever had any of the Rocket issues with them coming in our portfolio. When I was doing business years ago with like Wells, B of A, and Chase, I'd close a loan 6 months later, and Wells and B of A would be in there taking that client back. So I've had bad experience with the bigger banks. Rocket, on the other hand, no. So if you're in the business and you have good pull through with Rocket, then there's no harm. But if you're with a shop that locks loans, doesn't commit, double apps, does other stuff, and screws the lender like Rocket out of it, then you're probably open up and they're going to kind of watch your portfolio business and go after it. But if you're good with your clients, and sounds like you are, you should have no concern. What I was totally jazzed about is I went and priced some loans because I was a big Rocket proponent, and I'm still am, but there's other companies that were way better priced in Rocket when you use the pricing engine, like United Host or United Sale, whatever they are, not UWM, but the new one in there, really good pricing. So really use that pricing engine, and I encourage you guys, use that pricing engine, just play with it daily, and you'll learn a whole lot. I was lazy in getting going, and Tuan kicked me in the butt and says, Craig, it's all in there, and he's right.
And thank you, Craig. The one thing that I forgot to share with everyone is this. This is really cool. This is really cool. I forgot to mention that. At Loan Factory, everything we do is amazing. No one can come close. See, look at this, $1,000 best price guarantee. Imagine you can promote this to all your clients, to all your realtors. They will impress. They will be impressed. They will love you. They will love to work with you. So if you join Loan Factory, you can promote this program. And if you lose money, if a potential client give you a loan estimate and you cannot meet, the company will pay for it. Loan Factory will pay for it. How good is that? So we have term and condition here. Of course, this is not a pure advertisement. It's a program. Okay, we are promoting a program, not a fake advertisement that we don't hold our promise. So here the consumer can upload their LE, and we will tell you, step 2 will tell you if we can, we will tell them if we can beat it or not. If we cannot beat it, they can close the loan, give it the CD to confirm that they really closed the loan with that term. We will pay them $1,000. So very straightforward program. You can promote it. And this is why at Loan Factory, it will be easier for you to win client. We have the best rate. We're not afraid of challenging the client to shop around so that they trust us, they believe us, they work with us. So that will help you win more clients, right? And the company will pay for any loss. If we lose $1,000, the company will pay. So we have marketing material to help you advertise this. I will show you that to you later on. But we have all kinds of marketing materials to help you promote yourself. Tons of it. And that's what makes us better. Hello, hi, Bobby.
Thanks for this presentation. It was great. Question I have, with being technology forward, we do a lot of non-QM, and non-QM it's got a lot of hair on it. What do you guys do as far as, you know, owner financing, some of our Indian reservation loans that are a little complicated? How do you get around that with your technology?
Yeah. The DPA, document assistant, is very complicated because not only one, but so many of them. And one thing I want to share with you that we work with 250 lenders that have all kinds of programs. So if any lender offer any DPA program, we can work with. So we even have on our marketplace right here, we have a DPA right here, DPA program here, where there's a lot of different lenders offer different DPA program. You know, all of them. So, and then we would love to sign up with any lender that have the program for us. We can sign up with them. Yeah, here we have eligible state here, and the borrower based on income, loan limit on different criteria. Veteran, let's see, we have these two, CalVet home loan and Grand Life. So we have different programs. You know, our marketplace is the best marketplace because I forgot to mention that. You can see that if we go with correspondent, we are correspondent in these states, and we have 4 lenders right now as on our correspondent. We have 250 lenders, and if we select one lender, you can see everything about the lender here: the AE, the information, all of the policy, all of the document. You can even search by product type, private loan. Did you have a private loan? We have 91 lenders that can help you with private loan. If you have a commercial loan, we have 64 lenders that can do commercial loan. If you want to do mobile home loan, we have 5 lenders that can help you. And let's say if you have a real scenario, you're not sure who can help you, let's say private loan or non-QM loan, then you can, 147 lenders do non-QM loan. You can email them a scenario or text them. And when you type your scenario here, you can select 20 lender and you can send it out. and all of these lender will get back to you. So for example, in the lender finder here, you can see our loan officer asking questions, and they get back the answer right here. You know, so they will get back to you. If you have difficult scenario, go ahead and ask. And this is that's why we are the best. You don't have to say no to any of your clients or realtor. Any type of loan, we can find a lender. And you can find a lender quickly and easily. And I bet most of you, I would say all of you, in the past said no to your clients. You lost money, you lost the client, your business struggled because and then the moment you said no to your client, it might not come back to ask you again ever, because you cannot help them. You don't have the product to help them. So that's why this marketplace is so good that can help you find the lender for your clients. Hello, hi, Michael.
Oh yeah. Hey, I have a question. That I joined a little bit late, and I think it was right when you were going over this. Hey, so for our compensation, we go off of whatever the lender paid comp is, right? If we're going lender paid, so we don't have to have an individual compensation. Like I don't have to say I want to make 200 basis points on every single deal, right? If I want to make 150, I go to lender that's paying 150.
So this is about compensation, right? So when you run the pricing at Loan Factory, we set lender compensation the same across all lender, most of all lender. I would say most of all lender at 250 bps for all states except California. California we set at 200 bps, and that is lender pay compensation. And some of you might be new from retail, you don't understand. If we select lender pay compensation, the lender will pay us, and we cannot change the compensation at all. We got stuck with that. However, if you want to compete, if you want to lower your compensation so that the client get better rate, you can lower your compensation by switching it to borrow pay. You can switch the borrow pay and lower it all the way to 0 if you want to. Or you can submit the loan to our correspondent channel. With the correspondent channel, it's great because we don't charge any extra fee. The rate are the same with wholesale. We control the whole process. We fund our own loan. The lender is Loan Factory. And we don't have to disclose how much we make to the clients. We can charge wherever, up to the limit, 250 bps. Okay, so that is the answer.
On your corresponding, you let them charge on the back 250, and they can charge origination as well? Or
or either only in the back, not the front.
Okay, and then you were saying the majority of the, you said all the states minus California is at 250, and then California is at 200?
Yes. Up to.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Up to?
Yeah.
Well, you have to set them straight up with the lenders, don't you? So like, are they at 200 or are they like staggered? One lender's at 175, one lender's at 100.
Keep all lenders the same. We keep all lenders the same. And that is the upper limit. That is the upper limit, how much you can make. 250 bps outside California, 200 bps.
Gotcha. Okay.
Hi, Scott. Hello, Scott.
Sorry, forgot to unmute you. So just a quick question. So, I mean, I've been at every type of model you can possibly imagine. I'm a broker now. But I'm just curious, like, so, I mean, these rates, I look at the rates, and in the past, the reason I went to True Broker is because I had so many people padding from every type of management position up the ladder chain. And so when we look at these rates, how do we know that they're comparable? How do we compare them to what we're giving our clients now? And, you know,
Great question. Great question. I want all of you to do this after the webinar or even now. Go to loanfactory.com and run the pricing. Okay? I want you to go to loanfactory.com and run the pricing to compare your rate versus Loan Factory. I want to make sure your rate are comparable to Loan Factory. The same scenario. Whatever your rate you see on our website for the consumer. And let's say here, let me run a scenario. Okay, let's say this one, the rate is 6.25 with 3,000 credit back, right? You click on it, you can see broker compensation 1%. So Loan Factory will make 1% on this deal. We break it down. So if you go to loanfactory.com, you can run the pricing. You can see this breakdown. You can see everything. Loan Factory, we do business very transparent. Everything is open up. We don't hide anything. We show our competitor what we do. So you, right now, you have enjoyed Loan Factory. You are our competitor. And we are competitor, right? So when you run a business, you better understand your competitor. You better make sure your pricing is the same or better than your competitor, right? So I challenge you to have better rate than Loan Factory. Because one day you will run into that situation when our loan officer compete against you. So you want to do it now. You want to make sure your pricing are good. So do it now or after the webinar. I want you to compare, and if your rate is better, let me know. I'm very curious. I'm very curious. My goal is to not allow anyone to beat my rate. Because I run a business, I want to be competitive. I want to help my clients. I want to be successful. So no one should beat my rate. And you should do the same. You should think the same like that if you want to be successful. So did I answer your question, Scott?
Yeah, yeah, basically. So, I mean, on the screen here, Loan Factory is going to make 1%, and then we would make 1.875 on that deal that you have open on the screen, if we chose to make.
No, that's not correct. This is for the consumer. Okay, one thing
consumer.
I forgot to tell everyone. Whatever on our main website is for the consumer.
Consumer. Okay, gotcha.
Consumer, what they see is what they get. So
Okay.
they get this much credit, but because we have to get paid this, so and then they have to pay closing costs. This is a refinance loan.
Yeah.
So and they will get this credit.
Okay.
This minus this, you get this.
And then how much would we make on that?
Okay, you make the entire amount that Loan Factory received minus 1095.
1095. So 8,000 minus 1095 based off of that there?
Yes. Everything you get, everything the company get, you get 100% minus 1095.
1095. Okay.
Yeah.
And you said that we could set our comp on borrower paid as low as we wanted to 0. So if we're not required to make money on a deal. We can do a deal at 0.
Correct. However, it happened to from some case you help your family, let's say your sister. In that case, you have to pay the company 1095. So you can lower your comp to 1095.
Okay. So we can adjust our comp up and down the scale to make whatever we want to make on whatever deal we want.
In some deal, let's say you need to compete and you lower your comp to $1,000. Let us know so that in that case, we split 50-50. You make 500, I make 500. The company make 500. You know what, right? You don't have to do it for free. Let's say you compete, you want to keep the client. You have to lower your comp to only $1,000. Then the company not going to take everything. Remember, normally you pay the company 1095, right? But in this competitive situation, the company could only keep 50% of the total commission.
Well, yeah, definitely sounds like a good deal for sure. Thank you.
Yeah, we always try to help. We always try to help. Hello, hi, Lynn. Hello, Lynn.
You recognize that the the
Hi,
loan
hi,
officer
sorry.
will let you know. I'm
Hello,
sorry.
hi, Lee, hold on. Hello, hi, Lynn.
Yes,
sorry.
thank you. Sorry, I was on mute. Okay, so let's say if we do, like sometimes when we do HELOCs and things like that, the comps are a lot lower because the loan amount is less. What do we do in that case?
Yeah, most of the time with HELOC, the lender process the loan, so we don't have processing fee. You only pay $5.95. That's it.
Okay. So what if the comp is lower than that? I mean, I've had one where it was like $400. It was crazy.
We
But,
split it. We split
It's
it.
just- oh,
Yeah.
wonderful. Okay, next question is also, can we charge the processing fee of $500 to the client?
Yes or no?
Yes and no.
Yes and no. The 500 is in-house processing,
Mhm.
and in-house, we cannot charge the borrower unless you send it to our corresponding channel. As the lender, we can charge any type of fee.
Oh, I see.
Broker, we cannot. However, you can make it up easily by raising your comp.
Right.
So now, let's say you make 100 BIP, now you can charge 20 BIP, so that you have money to pay for that.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you, Lynn. Thank you. Hello, Heidi.
Just wondering how would you that last scenario, how you would the loan officer will let you know that they're gonna charge us 1,000, or how would you know that?
We
on that
have
deal?
some desk. You can reach out to them. We have a ticket system here. We have a ticket system where you can go in and create a ticket. You can assign a ticket to any department. We have 24 departments. You can assign to them and let them know, and they will get back to you. Very easy. Communication is so important in the company, and we want to make sure that any issue arise, it will be taken care of.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah, thank you. Hi, Scott.
Sorry, got a lot of questions. So how about credit reports? How do you handle credit reports?
Yeah, you have your own account. You will pay for it, but if you pay for it upfront, we will charge the borrower back at closing, and you get it back. However, our technology is so good that you can either send them a link for them to pay for it, or the website that we built for you, you can enable the function to allow borrower to pull and pay for it when they fill out the application. So we have all of that ready for you.
Okay, great. And what's the price of credit reports with the company?
I believe it's $88. We try to get it down to $83.
Okay, thank you.
We negotiate. We get the best deal out there.
And we can do a soft pull for as well.
Yes, you can do a soft pull if you want to. No problem. The technology handle all of that for you. You just click done.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Craig. Yes.
Hey, I don't know if it helps. I don't know if that was Scott that was asking a question, but generally what we've been finding out, we've been doing it for the last couple of years, we pull one bureau like a TRW. And before we even do that, we still go in and optimize the system. Some people says it takes only a couple of days. I assume it takes 7 working days, because if you did it today, you can't count Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Wouldn't kick until Friday. So I would optimize first, then do a soft pull, maybe just pull one bureau. That's not a fail-safe method, because maybe you need to have all 3 credit scores. But if you're just kind of monetizing cost in that, then just pull one bureau. And I usually pull TransUnion just to see what's going on. Just food for thought.
Thank you, Craig. So Craig said that we should help protect our client, protect our business from trigger lead. So our system, our company, we always put the client phone number in the do not call registry and opt them out. So that way nobody call our client. So you will get that benefit as well. So we do that to all clients. So that is another benefit. And then I saw Eddie ask the question about Rocket. Yes, Rocket will give us free credit report. If we submit a loan to Rocket and pull credit there, it's free. They will pay for it. And also they will help us do a credit improvement for free, credit upgrade for free. You know, when you pull the credit report, on top of the credit report, let's say plus 20, plus 18, plus 14, that is the credit score can go up if we do an upgrade. So Rocket will help us do the credit upgrade for free while they underwrite the loan, but they approve the loan. So we can proceed with the loan as normal. And the moment the credit score go up, they will tell us, they will update, and they will adjust the pricing for our client. That's why they are so good. And even better, they give us no EPO policy. So we don't have to worry about EPO. Let's say next week, rate drop a lot. The client that you helped 2 months ago refinance, you don't have to pay EPO if someone else refinance that loan, you know. So the EPO policy is really good and helpful, especially right now when rates are dropping. Hi, Suhan?
Yeah, I think it's phenomenal technology. I love technology. My question to you is that certainly it's so much information, and I guess as a newcomer to your institution, I guess part of your team, if somebody has a question on a specific one, is there's a phone number that we can call and they can guide us through where we need to go, or is there's a self-study guide that you have that we go through?
What kind of guidance that you need help and why?
Yeah, so what I mean by that is that, so if you take a look at all those, you know, I'm looking at your screenshot, right? So you have, you know, I don't know if you got the rate alert. So if I have a specific question, what do I have to put in the system, and how does it input?
It's so easy. You can see here we have 24 departments. If the question is not urgent, you can create a ticket for them. They will get back to you. However, if you need live support, real-time support, you can go to our marketplace right here. You can see we have support specialists who are live.
Yeah. Got it.
We have underwriters who can guide you live. We have corporate coaches who are live to help you. So you can get any question answered. And if they don't have the answer, they will escalate for you.
Perfect. I know you did show that earlier, but I was a little confused, but thank you.
Yeah, you know, we try to build a rate company, a rate technology that allows us to scale. But the key here is all loan officer will be help, will be support, and you will have all the tool, all the rate, all the lender, all the resources to help you successful. And that is my goal as well. I personally want you to become me. I want you to be the top loan officer in the country. All you need to do is go out there and work hard, build a network, help the client, and grow your business. That's all. Everything else, we will help you. And you only pay us the flat fee. That's it.
Beautiful.
We take care of everything. Yeah. So let me share with you a few more rate things. But Martin? Okay, I will come back to you later. I think you have a problem with the mic. So when you have a new loan, let me share with you what happens when you have a new loan. You can go here, create a new loan right here, right? And you can manually fill out the application, or you can have AI to help you with the application. Or you can invite borrower. If you click on invite, you enter their name and email, that's it. They will see the link, they click on it, they fill out the application. But if you want, you can import, you can issue the pre-qualified letter quickly. You can have AI to fill out application for you. So click on it, and here is the first step. AI will help you. All you need to do is drag this document in here, and AI will read this document and fill out the application for you. They can, I think my picture is flicking, right? Is it correct? I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, you got a lot of clicking going on.
I don't know
He's
why.
been doing that for a while.
I don't know why.
Did you spill pho on it?
I don't know why. I'm sorry. I need to play around with it. See what happened.
Juan, did you spill a bunch of hot pho on it?
Yeah. I'm sorry. Let me try. Okay.
So are you still there? The question I was going to ask earlier is how do we build a team underneath ourselves?
Yeah. For the team, I can address it soon. Just give me a few seconds. Let me finish this. So when you drag the document in here, now like you cannot see me. Okay, when you drag the document in here, AI will read and fill out application for you. AI can calculate DTI for you as well. So for example, this is one of the application. So the application, when the borrower fill out application, the system know that and text you, let you know, so that you can call the client in real time to support them. So we will build a website for you. We'll build a website for you where you can direct your client to your website for them to check the rate. They can fill out application, right? And let's say they fill out the application. And when they fill it out, you can see the percentage that they completed. You can call them and help them finish the application. And at the end of the application, we create a list of to-do for them to upload document like this. We ask them for payroll, the contact person, blah, blah, blah. So we ask them for condition automatically. And your client can upload it to you, right? Well, after they upload it to you, you can go in, after the loan is ready to go, you go in and review it. So you see the percentage that they completed, right? As a loan officer, when the loan is ready to go, you go in and review it, you pull credit, you calculate DTI, and after that, you run the pricing. You run the pricing to determine what rate the client can get. You will also pick the lender for your loan, right? This is a testing side. It's not a real production side. So let's say you pick the rate and there's 42 lender here. You decide to send a loan to this lender or this lender. You can get view fee and create rate alert right here. You select that lender, create rate alert. So the system will monitor the rate for you and for your client. If I were you, I'll call the client and say, hey, Kevin, thank you for submitting the full application and upload all the documents. I review your application and everything looked good. The rate that you can get is 6.375 with $500 points. I will send you the loan to this lender, National Mortgage Service. And the lender will approve your loan within 1 to 2 days. While we waiting for the lender to approve, I already create a rate alert for you. The rate alert will email you every morning with the rate. So this is what I want you to do. Recheck your email every day for the rate. If you don't understand it, if you have questions, call me. If you want to lock that rate, call me and I will lock the rate for you. If you don't like the rate, we'll keep waiting. However, we cannot wait too long because we have 30 days to close the loan. So we might have 2 weeks, up to 2 weeks to wait. But after that, we have to lock the rate. Otherwise, we cannot make it. We cannot close on time. And when the loan is approved by the lender, about 1 to 2 days from now, the lender will give us the list of conditions. They want more document from us. And my processor will reach out to you. His name is Mike. He will work with you to give the lender what they want. And if we are able to give everything that they want, then we can close the loan. If not, we cannot close the loan. And I will be around. I'll be available to help you. If you have any question, you can call me, or you can call my assistant, which is Mike. He's the processor. So the client will love you because you explain everything to them, and you pass it on to your processor for the processor to help your client. So, and that's it, right? The client happy, they monitor the rate for you. They tell you when they want to lock the rate. And when you, after you create a rate alert, let me give you a demo. Create rate alert, right? So the rate alert is created and will be run every day. So here, the rate alert is created. The target is right here. It will be run every day. And when at the loan officer, you need to convert it to a loan. So we have 3 pipelines: lead, prospect, and loan. Lead is just a lead, right? Name and phone number, name and email. That's lead. Prospect is an actual application. When customer fill out application, it stay in prospect. And then some prospects stay here for a long time. But if it's ready, you need to submit it to the lender, but you need it to convert to loan. When you convert to loan, you can write a reason why you choose the lender. It's up to you, but it's optional. You can choose, is it lender pay or borrower pay? But even before that, you can select the channel, correspondent or wholesale. You can select that, okay? And you can select the lender. You can indicate the compensation. You want lender pay or borrower pay. If it's borrower pay, you can change the value, how much you want to get paid. And you will see that. So that's it. When you finish, you can click on convert to loan, and the processor will take over. The processor will take over. So let me read you a summary. Let me give you the summary. So as you can see, your responsibility, your task is very little. Borrower and your processor will do everything for you. Here, let me summarize the whole process. This is important. You tell your client to check the rate on your website if you want to. And after that, they like it, tell them to go there to fill out application. And naturally, when they fill out the application, we create a short application, not a full application. That makes their life so much easier. And they can use AI too. And when they finish the application, they upload document. They've done most of the work for you. And then you jump in, you review the penalty, you pull credit, you calculate DTI, you run pricing, you pick the lender for them, you create rate alert for them, and then you convert the prospect into a loan. Your processor will jump in, but at the same time, your client will monitor the rate for you. They tell you what rate they want to lock and when they want to lock rate. They do everything for you. And then when you want the loan to be submitted to the lender, the processor will jump in and take care of everything for you. The processor will register the loan with the lender, issue the disclosure, work on condition, make sure all conditions are clear. They work with title, escrow, insurance agent, HOA. They do everything to move the loan to closing for you. That is their job. However, they also call you. The processor also call you to go over the condition with you, to make sure you and them are on the same page, that we all understand the condition, we understand what we need to do to clear the condition. So as you can see, doing loan at Loan Factory is easy. It's easy to win clients. The technology is great, make everything so simple. Communication is there. The borrower and your processor do almost everything for you. And at the end, the client will love you and give you 5-star review because they are the one in control of the whole process. They know what's going on, and they did most of the work to help you too. So that is the reason why loan officer at Loan Factory, we always get 5-star review. We have over 13,000 5-star review. We don't have 4-star review or less. That is, nobody can accomplish that except Loan Factory. So now I will take some questions, and I hope if you have any question, please ask me, raise the question so that you understand. We are the best. We have everything. We take care of everything. Everything we do is excellent. We make sure that everything we do is better. And that is why our slogan is, we dare you to compare. We dare our client and loan officer to compare. Hey, Suhan.
Hi. So two questions, and then I think I'm done with my question. So one, any communication that happened with the client, are we being CC'd from the processor? What, I guess, any?
Yes. So let me share with you. Let me share with you on a prospect on a loan. We keep track of all communication, all. So if you go to conversation history here, you can see all email history, who received it or who not. You can see that, and we can always update and change it the way you want. We have text message history. Right now it's not showing because this is not an actual loan. It's not a live loan. We have we use Ring Central right now. We track everything, all phone call, all text messages, and we're gonna change to June. So you can see all messages sent out by the staff, by you, and all the log, call log. Track of everything. Yeah.
Perfect. And then the follow-up question to that is that any supporting documents missing from a client, I'm assuming that support partner reaches out to the client, right?
Depend. In general, the processor will handle the loan when the loan ready to be submitted to the lender. From that point on, the processor will take care of it. But before that, it's your responsibility because you still have to work with the client to build that relationship, right? However, if you are a busy loan officer, let's say you are busy, you can have 5 loans or 10 loans a month, every month, you are so busy. We offer a loan coordinator service. This loan coordinator is your personal assistant. He or she will help you with the paperwork. We'll set up the loan ready for you to review. The loan coordinator will manage your pipelines, the prospect pipeline and the loans pipeline. The loan coordinator will work with your processor to make sure the loan is moving forward every day and alert you if any problem might arise. So if you're busy, we have someone to help you to solve your problem so that you can continue to bring in more transactions, more loans.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. And this is exactly what we come up with. I come up with because I myself run into the problem all the time. I need help because I close so many loans. I closed more than 70 loans the last 4 months, every month, 70 loans right now. So I'm always busy, but I come up with a solution so that I can continue to scale, continue to grow. And I still have time to do other things, my personal life or other things. And I'm good at that. And that's why I want you to do the same. I see a lot of loan officers out there. Most of them are struggling. They don't know how to scale. They don't know how to solve their problem. They are too busy They have family, personal problem, but at the same time, they have too many clients. They don't know what to do. So I solve all of these problems. And if you join Loan Factory, I love to show you, share with you, and help you. Hi, Lynn.
Hi, it's me again. Okay.
Yes.
So let's say we like a processor, or
Yes.
we don't like a processor. You know what I
Yes.
mean? Like, are we allowed to pick and choose which processor we would like to send our loan to?
Yes. You have
Okay.
the right to pick the processor or
Mhm.
request to change the processor. And you work with the processor for a long time. We don't change the assignment.
Oh, if I like someone, right? That is,
Yeah, stay with that loan officer or
Okay.
with that processor. Yeah.
okay, wonderful. So how many correspondent lenders do we have, does Loan Factory have?
We have 4. But I want to share with you one thing. I'm planning to become a direct lender. I
Okay.
want to have better service and process and technology and pricing than any other lenders out there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, but you will, meaning like you will do like the back end, become a correspondent lender in general, and then just source it out to all the
Yeah.
other lenders.
We are already a correspondent lender.
Uh-huh.
I want to be a direct lender. I want to be able to sell directly to Fannie Freddie.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right,
Yes,
great.
yes. I'm
Okay.
very ambitious. I want to
I
help.
know.
I want to help you because
Yeah.
I want to have the best pricing out there. No one can come
Mhm.
close. That way you can win easier, right? You help
Yeah.
your client. They appreciate you more and you can
Mhm.
win more clients. That's what I want.
Okay. Well, does that mean that we all have to be W-2 then after you become a direct lender?
No, no, no. What happens is you are an independent loan officer.
Mm-hmm.
In case we become a lender, you
Mm-hmm.
can just become another lender in our marketplace. Remember our marketplace, right?
Oh, yeah.
It's your lender. So Loan Factory is become another lender in there. And we want competition. We love competition. So I want to show to all loan officers that we are the best loan officer, the best lender. That way you are voluntary send loan to Loan Factory. And you don't have to send loan to Rocket or Europe yet.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
And then
we
the
love
last question I
competition.
have is when a loan closes, does your system automatically send out, like, I think Craig mentioned that there was a CRM, an LOS, and a pricing engine all in one, right?
Yes.
So in that case, when we close a loan, does the system automatically send out emails reminding people to send a review?
Even better than that.
Ooh.
Even better than that. So our system will, the processor, we require them to collect, to have at least 50% 5-star review. That means they have to collect review and all of the review have to be 5-star.
Okay.
And they will collect for you. You don't need to do it. They get a bonus from the company if they get 5-star review for you. You don't need to do anything. And
Wow.
what happened is we help you create your Google Business Profile for you. We help you. You own that one. So let's say you stay with Loan Factory, you collect 100 reviews, 5-star review,
Mhm.
and 3 years from now, you decide to leave Loan Factory, you take it with you.
Mhm.
Help you with that. And we have a system so good that our processor can click on it. We send out text or email to the customer. They receive the text message, they tap on it and give you a 5-star review. Take them 30 seconds. Most borrowers love to give us 5-star review, and we only have 5-star review. They all love it. And you can see that many of our loan officers have a great review. Yeah, they have great review on our website. You can see all of that. Yeah,
Mm.
thank you.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Hi, Michael.
Hey, hey, quick question on that assistant. What is the cost on that?
Really cheap. $150 per close loan. If you close 10 loans, $1,500. That's nothing. 10 loans. You close 10 loans. You only pay for the loan that you close. That's it. It's really cheap, but however, we won't allow anyone to use it. Only if we see that you are busy. If you need help, we will help you.
Gotcha. Yep.
Yeah,
Okay, thank
not
you.
everyone can get it. Yeah. Hi, Martin. See, you have a lot of great loan
Now,
officers.
can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, what about building a team under our name?
Yes, yes. Let me share that with you. So we have marketplace here, and you can go to Loan Tracker. You can see team. So we have a lot of team, and you can have your own team. Some of the team we have is 11 people. We have a lot of team, 40 team total. So you can you can let people join your team. You can have your team, 12 people, 7. You can click on here to join the team. We have 23 people on the team here. So you can open your team. The system is so smart. It will help you track the split automatically. You can have different split between different team members. And even better, you can track who originated that loan. Let's say you are the team leader, and Lynn is your team member. You can say, Lynn, if I bring in the deal, this is a split 90-10. I make 90%, you make 10. However, if you bring in the loan, you make 80, I make 20. You can do that. The system will track everything automatically for you. You don't have to deal with that money at all. Company will pay you separately. When the loan is closed, one of you go in and request commission. The system will see that and pay both of you according to the split that you have with Lynn. So you can be a team leader, and we support you. Yeah.
I have one other question.
Yes.
I own several properties myself that I want to get refinanced, and I cannot do that without.
Yes.
I have to hire another loan officer to handle my transactions. So how do we do that when it's our own loan?
You cannot originate your own loan. However, you can ask another loan officer to help you, or me. I can help you. And we have a standard fee. We charge you 500 extra. So that's it. So the total for
That's
that
amazing.
Yeah, we have employee loan right here, and we charge only $500 extra, 2-step. So we have $1,595 flat. That's it, total. Yeah, thank you. Hi, Scott.
Hello, I think you answered my question. So I've got a processor for the loan partner that's worked for me for over 20 years now. And so I guess the split would just be as we close, you would split the commission out. She's a licensed.
Yes, but that she have to be licensed though.
She's licensed.
Yeah, that's perfect. If she's licensed, it's perfect. If she's not licensed, it would be a difficult problem because by law, we cannot allow anyone to touch the client data unless that person is an employee or a licensed third-party processor.
Okay, so I mean, they would have to become an employee, but I mean, it's still got to figure out how.
But she can join as a loan officer in your team. You can have a team,
Right.
and she can process loan for you, and you can give her a split, 10%, 20%, up to you.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Hi, Martin.
Is NewRez one of your lenders?
Yes, all the lenders out there except UWM because of the ultimatum.
You
We
say
have all-
UWM is not on it?
I'm sorry?
So you have NewRez in your system,
Yes, yes.
but not
We have-
UWM?
No UWM because of the ultimatum. We have to pick between UWM and Rocket, and we pick Rocket.
Got it. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Hi, Dave. Hi, Dave. I love it. You asked me a lot of questions today, all of you.
How do you pay out your loan officers?
Very quick and easy. When the loan is closed, we let you see what's going on. And as soon as we get the commission paid from the lender, you can go in and request a commission. My commission request here. You can go here and request a commission and you get paid. That's it, simple. We pay every other day. and we are moving to Gusto so that we can pay every day.
Is it electronic payment or is it check?
Yes, all electronic, straight to your bank. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we are a technology company, so everything technology, everything.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Thank you for answering that.
Hi, Suhan.
Hi, I guess again, I'm sorry. So I like the team model, right? So if I wanted to, I guess, team up with somebody who's working with you guys already, we could partner up together. And then
Yes.
the other thing I wanted, I'm sorry.
You feel free to join up together and form the team and work together.
Got it. And,
Yeah.
and then the follow up to that you're talking to another gentleman, I forgot the guy's name. In regards to processor, we can bring in our own processor to support us. That's what you mentioned.
You cannot unless the processor is a third-party processing company.
Got it. Okay, just wanted to clarify that.
Or that processor have license, then he or she can join as a loan officer and then work with your team.
Got it. All right, that's it.
Yeah, and here is, we have a hangout chat. Our loan officer come here and chat every day. We allow everyone to get to know each other and help each other. So there's a lot of communication going on. And I want to share with you a few things, a few more rate. So far, I believe that you love what you see, right? But there's a lot more that I didn't have time to share with you. I'm gonna be quick. So a rate alert here. You can see that I myself have this many rate alert. Send a loan alert and alert that link to a transaction. So my past client, I create rate alert for them. It's in here. But I also promote the rate alert service. I told people, 1 million people out there that closed loan in the last 3 years, 3+ years, they have high rate, right? They want to refinance, right? They're afraid of missing the can, right? They're afraid of rate drop and go back up, right? So now I promote, hey, you want to create rate alert? I can monitor the rate for you. It's free. So I can promote that and people will sign up. It's called send a loan alert. And I track it to see if it's in the month, it's out of the money or near the money or in the money. So every day I go here, I can see wherever in the money show up, and I can call them up and ask them to start a refinance. So this is the reason why I have so many clients. I give my client the benefit. I offer them that I can help them with whatever they need. They need the lowest rate. They need to find a loan for them, for their family. They need to track the rate. I do everything. I can help them. So you can do the same with our technology. Anything I have, you can have it. You can go and build this, ask people around so that you can monitor the rate for them. This tool gonna make me so much money when the rate drop and the refinance wave coming. So much money. And this, you have to utilize this tool. It's free. It's free. It's very easy to use. You can work with your referral partner, tracking all the status, tracking all the transaction and all that. And we send them a report every month to keep the relationship with them. But this is really cool. You heard about HomeBox and My Home IQ, right? You heard about that, right? And it's a rate tool, but it costs a lot of money. So we build this for you, and it's free for you. You can invite your realtor to use it. It's free too. So this is the homeowner report. You can send to all your past clients, all your future clients. Send it to them so that you stay in front of them. And they know you. Every month they see this report about their house, about their equity, about what they can do. If they want to cash out, if they want to refinance, if they want to buy a new house. This report is so amazing. But allow you to stay in front of them. Your name is showing up here, your information show up here and on the bottom as well. And that's why the clients always remember you, and they won't call anyone else except you. They will call you if they need mortgage. That is the goal, right? And we are working to add the ability to show them this is the real-time rate right here. And we are planning to this create a red alert right here and monitor for them, and iterate and allow them to click here to apply as well. And we give it to you for free, only if you are with Loan Factory. There's a lot more that we do for you. So we have marketing feature here. You can run ads on Facebook if you want to. It takes you 3 clicks. You select the program, what you want to promote, but before that, you can select the lead form or traffic. You can drive traffic to your website or the landing page or the lead form. And this is the $1,000 best price guarantee here. You will have it in Spanish or your language as well. Any language you want, we can build it for you. So you can select it to run ads, and you can indicate how much you want per day, when you want to stop it. The content already created for you, but you can edit it if you want to. We select the audience for you, the language for you, and you submit it. The language that the audience speaking. So we build this feature for you, slow rate. If you run the ads, it costs you about $4 or $5 each to get 1 lead. Google review right here. We good at collecting review. Look at these reviews that we get every day. We have marketing materials. You can promote this. It could be in any language. This is Vietnamese. You can have Chinese. You can have, different languages. You can promote it. We can do English or Spanish. There's a lot of different programs that you can promote. These are marketing material that help you promote on social media. When you click on it, it will generate this image with your information on the bottom. So there's a lot of them like this. You can customize it. Our team can customize for you. A daily rate, if you want to promote the rate every day, you can go here and generate it every day. You can see the rate and you can promote it. So let's say if I want to promote 30-year fix, I click here and it will be generated automatically for me. And here is the image. Oh, you don't see it. Let me see. Here. You can see the image I just generated right here. So you can generate a review. Let's say you get a 5-star review. You can generate and promote it. So if you close the loan fast, let's say only 5 days, it's clear to close, then you can promote it as well. So it's loading slow. My internet is slow. You can promote it. But we are working on one cool feature, and everyone's gonna love it. We call that automated marketing. So the system know if you close the loan fast, if you get 5-star review, system know that, and will generate the image automatically for you and post it on social media for you if you allow us automatically. That way you don't have to spend time to find out what to post every day. The system will do that for you every day. We have email drip campaign. You can drip all your client on a holiday or follow up on the client. Let's say they didn't submit complete document or application. You can follow up and you can create the date and the message. You can send it out. We have mailing lists where I send out email to a lot of people. So for example, here you can see the statistic, how many I sent out, and the statistic here, how many open, how many unopened. You can do this. We have company lead funnel and widget. So you can create lead funnel in 30 seconds and direct drive traffic there. You can select what type of funnel you want. You want to
and this marketing stuff, it doesn't cost us anything, you say, right?
Everything free.
Okay.
Everything you see is free, available for you. And if you need more material, you need to customize it. You need it in your language. The team will do it for you for free. Nothing. We don't charge anything. All of this. So you can generate, you can create a lead funnel and drive traffic to that lead funnel to get lead. We have widget for you too, if you want to use it. We have subscription and newsletter. You can do that too. We have a lot more. We have a training academy. We have open house event to help you. If you do open house with your realtor, we have a lot more. And we have AI too. If you go to chat, you can chat with AI. AI can help you. It's built on top of ChatGPT. So yeah, I actually have to go soon. So I want to take more questions. Hi, Dave.
Hey, how can we import our database? So I use HomeBot currently, and I have pretty extensive database. But if I were to end that and import it into Loan Factory system, how would I go about doing that?
Here, you will have an account, and you can do here, look import right here. Click on it, and you can import.
Okay.
Remember, HomeBot and HomeBot, depending on what kind of service you need from HomeBot, right? You need to send them the monthly report, right?
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. This is what you do. We have that for you.
Okay. All right. That's great.
Yeah.
It'd be nice to be able to continue that through your system rather than paying all these different. I'm paying for Bonzo and MMI and all these other systems, and it's sort of nice to have a one-stop shop.
Yes. Yes. There's a lot more that we are working on.
Okay. Fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you. Any more questions? Please ask me anything.
Yeah, sorry, my hand up option isn't working, so sorry to cut in.
Yes.
Just wanted to reconfirm what you said about pricing earlier on the Loan Factory website. You said that pricing already includes a point for the loan officer before deducting the 1095.
Correct. That is the compensation. The pricing on that website, loanfactory.com, is for the consumer. It already includes 1% compensation that lender will pay Loan Factory. And that compensation, let's say the loan amount is $600K, right? That compensation will be $6,000. You will keep everything minus 1095, paid to Loan Factory. You keep everything.
Got it. And we would have access program 𝐅𝐅𝐈𝐂𝐃, all the programs that you have on the Loan Factory homepage?
Exactly. You have all of that.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And by the way, we might roll out our stock program. We want to roll really fast, like eXp Realty or Encompass. So for producing loan officer, you might get some stock. We will give stock out every year to produce a loan officer. Any more questions you can ask me? No other company can come close to Loan Factory.
Without signing up there. Just kidding.
All right. Thank you, everyone. I really want to see all of you become successful. I see there's so many things that you can do to help your business, but most of you don't know how to do it. It's too difficult for a small loan officer to do all of this. And your company, your broker, are not able to help you. And that means your business will suffer, right? There's so many things you can do to help your business, and you're not doing it. So that's why I know that this section is really important. It helps you see what's going on out there. It helps you compare and find out what you need to do. So even if you cannot join Loan Factory or you cannot join right away, that's fine. I want you to learn and try to grow your business and keep in touch. Loan Factory, we are keep changing ourselves. We become completely different after a few years. So keep in touch, and hopefully in the future, you are interested in Loan Factory. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice weekend. Thank you.